Hi, I was asked to remove the Salus thermostat from this Baxi combi boiler and install a Hive in its place. Installing a Hive's not a problem. There are all the electric connections there that you need. There's the link wire that needs to be removed. But what I was unsure of was what I did with this. So I spoke to Baxi. I will admit that I didn't know. So I spoke to Baxi. They told me that I needed to join the two black wires and make safe the neutral and the live. So as you can see, I've cut back the black wires. I've put them in some Wagos. I've safely taped the Wago up. Then I've made the live safe by putting it in a Wago. I've put the neutral in a Wago, and they've all been taped up safely. As you can see on the picture there, we've got 230-volt live out, which is basically the common, and you've got the switch live in, which is the normally open, the NO on the Hive. So we're going to screw this back in just so you haven't got a hole in the front of the boiler. It looks a little bit neater. So it's fully disconnected now. It is it's purely for show. I'm not going to show you how to wire the Hive. There's a couple of other little videos on my channel that you can look at. This was more to do with what to do with the Salus thermostat receiver and disconnecting it.